Hello students, today we are going to discuss the practical number 9 for the class 11 subject informative practices. So we have already discussed the 8 practicals. If you didn't watch those practicals, I recommend you to go and watch these practicals also. For your convenience, I have created a playlist for class 11 IP practicals in my channel. Okay. Now let me start with the new practical, that is to calculate the profit or loss for a given cost or selling price. So as usual, what we are going to discuss in this video, we will discuss the problem statement. Okay, then we are going to discuss the steps to solve the problem. Then we are going to discuss Python code, how to write, and then we are going to discuss run code in Spider editor. I am using the Spider editor. If you are using the different one, it will work for you, no issue. And I will demonstrate it by running. Okay, so without delay, let's get started. First we will discuss the problem statement. Given the cost price and sell price, calculate the profit, either profit or loss. For no profit, no loss. Let's put this. Sometimes it might possible that there is no profit, no loss. So we will take care of this statement also. So first of all, to understand this problem, you need to understand what is selling price, what is cost price. Cost price is what? The price at which we purchase the goods from some other. Let's suppose I am a seller. Let's suppose I am a seller and I am purchasing some goods. Let's suppose these are some goods A, B, C, and then I am selling it. I am buying. First of all, I am buying it. Then this will be my cost price. Cost price is what? At which rate I am buying this product. Okay. Now, if I am a seller, then I will sell it to some customer. Let's suppose he is a customer, and then I am selling this item. Let's suppose A item I am selling this to customer. Let's suppose this customer. Then at what price I am selling this item A to the customer is known as selling price. Okay, so how you calculate the profit or loss? Let's suppose I have purchased the item. Let's suppose I have purchased a item at 100 rupees and sold it at 120 rupees. Then how I calculate the profit or loss? Let's suppose what is the cost price? I have purchased a item at 100 rupees. So this is my cost price. So I am paying for an item 100 rupees, and then I am selling this item to someone else at 120 rupees. That means I have earned the profit of what? Selling price minus cost price, that is equals to 120 minus 100. That means 20 rupees. So 20 rupees profit I have earned if I am purchasing item at 100 rupees and selling the item at 120 rupees. Okay. Let's reverse this. So now you are clear what is sell price and what is cost price. Sell price is price at which I sell the good, and cost price is price at which I have purchased the good. Let's suppose I have purchased a good at 50 rupees, then this will be my cost price, and let's suppose I have sold the same item at 60 rupees, then this will be the selling price. Okay. Now let me take some other example so that we can see the loss also. Okay. Let's suppose I have purchased a item at, let's suppose, 80 rupees and sold it to someone in, let's suppose, 30 rupees. And what is my cost price? Cost price is what? At price, the price at which I have purchased. I have purchased at 80 rupees, so 80 will be my cost price. What is sell price? The price at which I have sold this good. I have sold it in 30 rupees. So I have purchased in 80 rupees and sold in 30 rupees. That means I have the loss. At what is the loss? Loss is 80 minus 30. So 50 rupees lost I have. So simple step is that if difference of SP selling price and CP is positive or say greater than 0, then I have earned profit. I have earned profit. Okay, then I have earned profit. And let's suppose other case, and if the difference is positive, let's suppose if the difference is negative, then I have occurred a loss. And profit is calculated by difference of selling price minus cost price, and similarly loss is calculated by differentiating cost price minus selling price. Okay, so this is how we will calculate the profit and loss. Let me show you the steps to solve this problem, and now I have shown you the concept. Now we will see the step to solve this problem. Okay, now let me show the steps. What I will do, take the cost price and sell price in input from user. Okay, then apply formula to calculate the difference between selling price and cost price. So I will, let's suppose the difference is equals to what? Let's suppose this is the selling price, this is minus cost price. Okay, whereas P is selling price and CP is cost price. Okay, now if the difference is positive, if difference is greater than 0, that means I had profit, and and if difference is less than 0, that means I had loss. Else, if the difference is not greater than 0, difference is not less than 0, that means difference is 0. In that case, no profit, no loss. Okay, so these are the simple steps to calculate whether we have earned profit or loss. Now let me try to write down the Python code. Okay, so here we will write down the Python code. So first what we will do, we will take the input cost underscore price. Let's suppose I have created variable, taken some float input. We can use the input method to take the input, enter the cost price, then I need to take the sell price. We will take float input, enter the sell price. Now I will calculate the difference between sell price minus cost price. If the difference is positive, that means print profit is what? We have calculated the profit, the difference, whatever the difference was, it is profit. Else if there is no difference is not positive, that means the difference might be negative. If the difference is negative, that means we have loss. And what is loss? Loss is, it will be negative, so to convert into positive, I am just multiplying it with negative number so that it can convert into positive. If the difference is not positive, not negative, that means there is no loss, no profit. No loss, no profit. Here we will see some sample input and try to run it. Let's suppose user have given input cost price is, let's suppose 100. In selling price he has given input, let's suppose 100. Then what will happen? Difference will be what? Difference will be 100 minus 100, that will be 0. Difference is greater than 0, condition false. Condition false, it will not execute this if itself. Go into elif. Difference is less than 0, no, again false. We will come back and go to the else part and print no profit, no loss. Let me try to give some other input. Let's suppose user have given CP as 100 and SP as 80. Then what will happen? The difference will be what? Difference will be 80 minus 100, then it will be minus 20. So difference is greater than 0, no, false. If difference is less than 0, yes, difference is less than 0. In that case, the loss is, we will print loss is what? We will multiply this minus 20 with minus. So minus is multiplied with minus 20, then the result will be 20. So 20 rupees loss we had occurred. Let's suppose try to give some other input. Let's suppose CP has given 100 and SP has given 120. In that case, difference will be what? Difference will be 120 minus 100, that is 20. In that case, difference is greater than 0. Yes, so it will be true and this will execute and this will print profit is 20. So this is how this program will be executed for different input sets. Now let me try to go and type this in editor and see the demonstration. So here it is editor. Let me try to enter the cost price. Cost price I am taking it as input. So let me take, I am taking it in float input. Enter the cost price, then I will enter sell price, plot, input, enter the sell price. Okay, now we will calculate the difference. Sell price minus cost price. Then if difference is greater than 0, that means profit is what? Profit difference is the profit. And if difference is negative, that means loss, because cost price is greater than sell price. In case of loss is of what amount? Loss cannot be shown in negative, we will show it in positive number. So we will like this, write this. We will multiply the negative number with negative, then we will give the positive number. If there is no loss, if the difference is not negative, not positive, that means equal. So in that case, cost price and selling price will be equal. So no loss and no profit in this case. Okay. Now we will see. Run this by clicking on this button. Let me enter 100 cost price, sell price 100. It should give no loss, no profit. Let me run it again. Give 120 as cost price, 140 as selling price. It will give me the profit of 20 rupees. Let me give cost price as 200 rupees and 150 as selling price, and it will be a loss of 50 rupees. Okay. So this is how you can calculate the profit and loss. And see this program, type it in your editor and practice it. Thank you for today's session. If you have any doubt, please comment on video or either email me or comment on video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.